Music. Brigit Express Loan Review, my experience. Welcome. Need quick cash? Let's see if Brigit is right for you. Brigit is a financial app for fast emergency loans, perfect if you need a boost without traditional credit checks. Borrow $50 to $250 digitally. Money hits your account same day or next business day, ideal for urgent bills. Brigit's unique automatic cash advance tracks your spending and alerts you when eligible, so no manual applications needed. This helps avoid late fees and boosts financial security during tight times. Designed for low to moderate credit scores, Brigit offers accessibility often unavailable with bank loans. No interest on advances, a huge plus compared to payday loans. There is a monthly membership fee, so factor that into your budget. Plus, Brigit offers budgeting tools and credit score tracking to improve your financial health. Brigit is great for short-term needs, not long-term solutions. Need fast, low-cost funds without the hassle? Links are below.